Hey everyone, ever tried fact-checking a wild claim? Like, did a 2007 movie inspire an Overwatch character? Only to realize it's a tangled web of connections. That's the kind of puzzle researchers are tackling with a groundbreaking AI system called HARIS. Today, we're diving into how it works, why it's a game changer for combating misinformation, and what this means for the future of truth verification. Let's break it down. Here's the challenge. Verifying complex claims isn't just about finding facts. It's about connecting the dots in a way that traditional AI tools struggle with. Most systems either search randomly, like throwing darts at a board, or attempt reasoning without enough context, like solving a puzzle with missing pieces. It's inefficient, error-prone, and often leaves gaps in the logic. Enter HARIS. Think of it as a team of two AI agents working in tandem, a reasoning detective and a search researcher. The detective starts by deconstructing the claim, asking, what's the logical structure here? If it hits a roadblock, say, who is feet or chin, it signals the researcher. The researcher then dives into the web, not just to find a surface-level answer, but to uncover contextual layers. It's like having a conversation where each clue sparks the next question, building a chain of evidence. The real innovation. These agents communicate iteratively. The detective uses the researcher's findings to refine its reasoning, while the researcher adapts its search based on the detective's needs. It's a dynamic feedback loop that mirrors human problem-solving, asking questions, testing hypotheses, and adjusting strategies in real time. But how does HARIS improve over time? It's trained using reinforcement learning, a method where the system learns through trial and error, guided by rewards for accurate conclusions and penalties for errors. Imagine a student earning gold, stars for correct answers, and timeouts for mistakes. The system gradually masters the maze of facts, optimizing its approach with each iteration. The results? HARIS outperforms existing tools on rigorous benchmarks like XFever and Hover. It's not just faster, it's more precise, especially at identifying hidden bridges between facts. For instance, in a test case, HARIS uncovered a subtle link between a 2007 film and an Overwatch character that traditional systems missed. This capability is critical for verifying claims that rely on indirect or niche connections. Why does this matter? Misinformation spreads rapidly, often exploiting gaps in our ability to trace complex narratives. HARIS represents a shift from fragmented fact-checking to systematic step-by-step verification. It's not just a tool, it's a framework for clearer, more reliable reasoning in an era overwhelmed by noise. So, what's a claim you'd love to see verified? Drop your ideas in the comments, we'd love to hear them. And if you're curious about how HARIS works in action, stay tuned for our next deep dive. Thanks for watching, and remember, in the age of information, tools like HARIS are helping us separate fact from fiction. Stay curious.